Hi, welcome to my YouTube. My name is NAKAE. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure your own shortcut in the terminal. By default, the system already have its own shortcut configured, but we can manipulate it or we can change it to fit the one that we will remember. For us not to waste time, I have already opened my terminal. So we are going to change the shortcut for using the terminal. Okay, so where will we find this shortcut? First of all, let's check this shortcut here. Let's go to view. You can see that when we hit F11, you open a full screen. So let's try that. F11, we get the full screen. If you want to exist, the same F11. You also have the zoom in, zoom out, normal size. Okay, so sometimes we try a command to not be working. What can we do to use our own command for this configuration? The first step is go to the edit, then you select preference. There's our preference. Now let's go to shortcut. Okay, so these are the default shortcuts the system have. These are default shortcuts that comes with the terminal. But no, we want to configure it to suit our own shortcut. So this is what you're going to do. Let's try this shortcut. Let's see if you can open another window. Their shortcut is, the default one is Ctrl-Alt-T. A new window has opened. That's the default one. But no, we don't want this. We want to use, let's say, Ctrl-O. We want Control, but first have to check, because for normal size we have Ctrl-O here. So you have to use different command so that the machine will not get confused. So let's use Ctrl-Alt-O for opening a new tab. So you have to double click on it. You will see new accelerator. So as you see this, you press on your Ctrl-Alt then O. As you can see, it has changed to Ctrl-Alt-O. Let's see if it will work. Ctrl-Alt-O. This is for a new tab. A new tab has been created. Ctrl-Alt-O. Another tab. Ctrl-Alt-O. Ctrl-Alt-O. This is for creating tabs. So we have created our own shortcut. What if you want to open another window? Here it says Ctrl-Alt-T. No, we don't want that one. We want Ctrl-Alt, Shift Ctrl-Alt to open another window. So you right click, you press Shift Ctrl-Alt. It's not working. You don't have to use those 3 super keys. So let's use Shift Ctrl-N for new window. We have the Shift Ctrl-N. Let's try it. Shift Ctrl-N. Let's see if we not get any conflict down here. Shift Ctrl-N. No. Shift Ctrl-N. It's working. Can use to create as many as we want. What if we want to close this new windows? What is the shortcut? The system default shortcut is so the system default is Shift Ctrl Kill. No, we don't want Shift Ctrl Kill. We want to use our own. So let's say we want to use Ctrl-Alt-X. Ctrl-Alt-X. So you double click Ctrl-Alt-X. So let's see if the window will close. Yeah. So let's close these windows. Let me close this. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so this is how you can configure the shortcut the way you want. You just open your edit, go to preferences, then go to shortcut. Boom. You can do whatever you want with the shortcut. Thanks for watching. This is just a short video I want to show you. If you want to know more about Kali Linus, kindly subscribe and hit on the notification bell, because there are more videos on the way coming. There are some previous videos too. I have the links in the description. Can you go and watch them and learn more about Kali Linus OS? Thank you.